I mean, like, is the world gonna go crazy? Are we gonna go hungry? Is there a place that is gonna be disabled? Bahlobo lokuba is gonna be crippled in South Africa if we don't vote. What is gonna happen if we don't vote? I want to know, because of ukwenza choice yokuvota, you was told that you're making a choice because of you want to be heard, you want your own rights. Mar Manchongile, one man keeps the power and one man gets a happy life and lives a healthy life. Sinabantu abahlala kwi-areas abathenjiswa izindlu years ago, yet ezo zindlu azikakhiwa. And then these people that is in politics, they are so powerful, they possess other people's businesses. They are able to tell other companies, other businesses to drop prices and to go high with prices, but they never drop those prices. Imali yanyuka, iprice yanyuka, but igrandi ihleli in the same position. Inyuka nge-10 rand, nge-100 rand, 30 rand, minimum iba less than 200 rand. And then they cut imali zabantu kwimisebenzi emithile, but they never cut the imali ze-politicians, because politicians gets paid more than a person who's in a position that she qualifies for, that went to school for a position wherever they work. A politician is getting paid for just conversating a decision, which I do not know the danger of that position, because of the only danger I see them now is when they try to kill each other, the politicians for the seat now. Mara, any other threat from outside, there won't be any threats if they deliver to the people. And then when they misuse the position they are sitting on, misuse the fundings of the country, they don't even go to jail. Even if there is a case against them, they don't go to jail. They go to court, but they're walking free outside. The government still pays the bills of their lawyers. And then all pay nganyuki. All pay nganyuki. Apha endlini, we are poor people. Now I'm hearing that kuzokucinywa i-channels ze-TV ezithile. And then ugovernment uyaxelelwa ngabanye ba, what about the poor people? Xa kuthethwa ngo-poor, we are talking about people under the amount of all pay, and all pay is just 2,300 and something. Yena upresident uhleli phaa kula position nge-1 million per month. Per month ipresident ipeya 1 million, apho umakhulu wakho upeya yena i-2,300 and something a month. And then disability nayo kulo amount. And then abantwana, they're getting paid 560 abantwana. Mamela ke.